Hi, it's about time I announced the winners of those prize draws, isn't it, from these last few weeks? And they will pop up all down the screen here for you any moment now. So the people mentioned in this list, please do get in touch with me by email at MiniScenesGB@gmail.com. And thank you so much everyone who entered and for all of your support, and much congratulations to the winners. Also big thanks of course to Create and Bloom, Apex Resin and Into Resin, all of whom have sponsored these giveaways, so thank you so much. Now we've got a couple of other bits of news. First of all, apologies for the delay in getting these prize winners' names out there. We've had a bit of an awkward few weeks, one thing and another. One problem being that we had the actual prize draw hacked. So I've been having to delay things while I sort that out. And there's been all sorts of other silly things going on in the background, which I won't go into now. The other bit of news is that, you know, Kermit, my little frog that sits with me while I'm making my videos and hops across the screen at some point during my video, he's had a makeover. Well, the one that hops across the screen has. Dear friend of mine, Andrew Moss of Small Stories, has done me a new cartoon which looks a lot more like Kermit, so you'll see him come hopping across here any minute now. Hope you like him as much as I do. Other bits of news, yes, Michelle at Glitter and Glitz and I will be doing more collaborations, and that is so that we can do our monthly giveaways with the goodies that we are sent by Into Resin. And in other news, yes, I have got 2 other YouTube channels. Now, one of them might interest you in that I am going out and about interviewing people and sharing tips that I'm learning on how to do various hobbies on YouTube. So I'll put the link for that down in the video description below for you as well. A couple of my very early guests have been fellow resin crafter Sally from All Aboard Resin, and also Lou from Create and Bloom, one of the sponsors of my giveaways. So if that sort of thing interests you as well, I'll pop you the link for that channel down in the video description below. Anyway, I think that's it in terms of news, and congratulations again the winners. I will put your details also down in the video description. I'll put this out on my community posts as well, so you know to get in touch with me. Thanks for all your support everyone, and I will see you all soon.